Dive into the iconic skyline of Chicago on a virtual journey into the fabulous property of your dreams. At Harrington Housing Chicago, you can choose from private, flex, and deluxe rooms and enjoy fully furnished spaces with comfortable beds fitted with linens and study desks, nightstands with a lamp and wardrobes. The kitchen is fitted perfectly and is also flooded with natural light. Say goodbye to laundry hassles with in-room dryers and binge-watch your favorite shows on the smart TV in your room. High-speed Wi-Fi keeps you connected and all utility bills are covered. You can rest easy with on-site security. Plus, the location is a student's dream, with the Chicago School of Professional Psychology just a 9-minute walk away, and Kendall College a 6-minute drive. Catch the well-connected Chicago subway just 4 minutes away from you and visit a whole new world ranging from the museums of downtown Chicago to Michigan Avenue's shopping spots. Get ready to explore the best of Chicago, from Navy Pier to Millennium Park, all at your doorstep. So, what are you waiting for? Make a move now and get your hand on the best student accommodation in the Windy City through amberstudent.com.